আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল লার্নিং ইংলিশ উইথ মি। আজকে আমি সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরসের কিছু এক্সারসাইজ নিয়ে এসেছি তোমাদের জন্য। চলো তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। নাম্বার 1, হি said that he had gone in a hurry. 2, you came here when you were 4. 3, no one knows what he is reading. 4, he could not do it in time as he was ill. 5, when he woke up, it was raining. 6, both Shetu and Nitu are attentive students. 7, he acted as I advised him. 8, since he stayed at Cox's Bazar, he was in good health. 9, Jerry was so honest that he could not show excuse. 10, we eat so that we may live. 11, no sooner had I got the letter than I left for home. 12, if you go, I shall follow you. 13, the sun set and darkness befell the area. 14, you failed but your brother passed. 15, run fast or you will miss the train. 16, he is not only rich but also learned. 17, we shall win if he helps us. 18, Kamal is either a player or an artist. 19, he must work so that he can be self-employed. 20, Mim will go to Germany after she has got a visa. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.